Hello everyone, welcome to Puppet 5, From Beginner to Pro by John Arundel, a series of tutorial videos by Pact Publishing. My name is Drew Campbell, and I will be the presenter for this course. Before we get started with Puppet, here are some things you'd like to know about John. He's a cloud-native DevOps consultant who helps with Kubernetes, containers, Puppet, Go, AWS, GCP, monitoring performance, resilience infrastructure as code, and DevOps in all things. He helps people build world-class web operations teams and infrastructure. He was formerly a senior operations engineer at global telco Verizon, designing resilient high-performance infrastructures for major corporations such as Ford, McDonald's, and Bank of America. As of now, he's an independent consultant working closely with selected clients to deliver web-scale performance and enterprise-grade resilience on a startup budget. You can follow him on Twitter @Bitfield. So, what are we going to do in this course? Well, let's give you a little overview. First, we'll manage data with Hiera, which includes Puppet's key value database and how to use it to store and retrieve data. Then, we'll master modules by installing ready-to-use modules from the Puppet Forge using the R10K tool. In the next section, Classes, Roles and Profiles, we'll get introduced to classes and defined resource types and see the best way to organize Puppet code using roles and profiles. Later, we'll manage files with templates and build complex configuration files with dynamic data using Puppet's EPP template mechanism. Section 5, Controlling Containers, will introduce Puppet's powerful new support for Docker containers. Next, we'll learn how to use Puppet to manage cloud computing resources with an in-depth example developing a software-defined Amazon EC2 infrastructure. Lastly, we'll draw together ideas and techniques from all the sections to create a complete working example Puppet infrastructure. Now, speaking about the software requirements of the course. Although Puppet is inherently cross-platform and works with many different operating systems, we'll focus on just one operating system, namely the Ubuntu 16.04 LTS distribution of Linux, and the most recent version of Puppet, Puppet 5. This covers everything what we're going to learn in this course. Let's begin the journey, guys. All the best.